Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm walking you through the duplicate suppression management feature. This feature shows up within listings, which will help you to find and eliminate duplicate listings across different directories like Google, Bing, Apple, Maps, and more. I will explain how detection works, what each status means, and how to suppress or dismiss duplicate listings from your dashboard. This will help you to have stronger local SEO, because this way we can consolidate all the SEO juice to your primary listing only. If you have two different listings going, it will hurt your branding and the search engines will be confused because they don't really know which one is real. The system automatically runs monthly scan to flag potential duplicates. The flags are based on similarity of the business, address, phone number, and other identifiers publishers may find. If you have multiple locations, you should confirm a candidate is not a separate location before suppressing it. For example, could be another franchise nearby or maybe a previous address. If a listing is misidentified, you can mark it as not as duplicate inside the list. Typically, once you have submitted a suppression, it will take the publisher 24 hours to look through it and take necessary action. Once a duplicate has been identified, it is then your turn to go in and check it and then decide further action from there. If the listing shows as suppressed, this means the listing has been removed by the publishers. If it shows as unable to suppress, that means the publisher has declined the suppression. So let me show you how that looks like. So let me show you how to use the duplicate suppression in listings. First, you want to click on reputation on the left, then click on listings at the top. Then you want to click on the duplicate suppression tab. Please note that this tab is only visible if you have any Yext entity present and active. Once we're there, we want to review the grid, the site, your listing, duplicate listing, the status, and the action, okay? To remove a confirmed duplicate, click suppress and then confirm. To dismiss a false positive, click not a duplicate and then confirm. Monitor the status ships to track progress, meaning processing suppression, suppressed, or unable to suppress. And then make sure to revisit monthly after scans refresh to address any new candidates. The duplicates URLs will not always redirect to the primary listing. Many publishers redirect, yes, versus others just remove the page. Or they display the updated content as an error. If a publisher declines your request, we would encourage you to gather evidence and then contact support. Some publishers do require additional proof, and sometimes they do not support suppression for certain cases. And also, suppression may affect your Google My Business profile. Reducing those duplicates can help concentrate ranking signals. But of course, changes are subject to Google's policies and review timelines. And that's it already. Be sure to check out our free courses and free snapshots linked in the description box below, and I will see you over there.